opportunity to send my deeply heartfelt condolence to the family and the friends of the Mama Abshiro, the country lady who passed on yesterday. My God grant her soul peace. Amen. Secondly, I want to take this opportunity also to thank all the guests from the different government security agencies present here, NGO representatives, the camp leadership, host community members and their leadership present here. Others invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening.
وفهميسين ومرينا قرص ومريض لكن برامجين بوضع عنده واحد قصة ترجمانة ونجروا برامجين تاموكوه كان.
My special thanks goes to the outgoing and the non-serving OCS Mr. Idris for the remarkable job he did. Women, children, the youth and entire refugee community, including our brothers and sisters from the communities. I will thank you for this. This camp remains protection for those communities was your priority. We don't have authorized book. If we don't have authorized book, if we had, we could keep you here with us forever. But I hope your successor will be keep you legacy of cooperation, legacy of consultation, legacy of active listening, legacy of reaction, legacy of follow-up, legacy of prevention, legacy of not waiting to report, but going to the sense, legacy of equality and justice, legacy of being front runners. This camp was a different level of security. There was a time when we used to take shelter in front of the police station at night due to the bandits. Raping of women was an order of the day. Refugees operation was held due to the contesting stealing of the NGO's vehicles. Abduction of the humanitarian workers. There was a case because of the cooperation and group network between the security agencies and the community. We did not wait for the perpetrators to come to your house, but we look for where they are, and we destroy them in this community. Every five members have your number, so that is the type of the cooperation we wanted. I therefore appeal to the community to work hand in hand with the new post issuing security posting. Ladies and gentlemen, let us stand and clap for Mr. Idris. Thank you very much. السلام يا دمان دقحلي برشاد كلهم دمانتي وسلامتي سلامك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. dadka kale waxaan leeyahay hay dadka aan muslimin
ana wasalamiya na waydine iyo sawayna duwaanka na wadiya hamjambo